Saturday morning, guys. 24 minutes after 5. Ik ga zeggen dat die volleyball als we dan fishermen. They're the fishermen. Sounds like choppers, huh? When they're leaving the wharf way over there. Going there. All the way out. But that boat's coming in, another one heading out. I should be squalid. They've been broke, man, bamboosigo. But you can't see them yet. You hear them, can't see them. Every morning, no? Fishermen. It's a boat. Another boat. Another boat. He's going out. There should be more heading out. I hear them, I could hear the boats, man. Way over there, you could only couple spots see the water.